Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install the MIUI 8 ROM on your Samsung Galaxy S6 or S6 Edge. The F version of both works the best. You can try it with other version, but I don't know. So just click wipe, advanced wipe, and you wanna wipe Dalvik, system data and cache, not internal storage. Then just swipe, go back once again, click install and locate the ROM file. All links for everything are in the description. So if I can find it, here it is. MIUI test 2, swipe, and then this takes a bit, just let it, and I will make a cut here. Okay, so as you can see now it turned blue all the way, so then you just have to wait a few seconds and then it will be finished. Here we go, and then just click reboot system, and this also takes quite a while, so I'm gonna skip this. So guys, here it is. So I'm just gonna click that. Here I wanna use English. Also, if you don't speak English, just use it, because then there will be less or no errors. Just click next. Then I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna make a cut. So now I'm connected. Yes, you can agree that. Skip this. Yes, and how to add a fingerprint, just click that. So as you can see, fingerprint works. So just add one fingerprint and then it vibrates, as you can hear or not hear, I don't know. And when it stops vibrating, just click cancel and skip. But you don't actually skip this, it saves that. I can show you that, because when I do this, you can see my fingerprint works. And one cool thing about this ROM, when I rest my finger here, you can see I don't have to press it. Okay, so now how to install Google Apps and root. So for the root, download the SuperSU package I put in the description. Boot into the recovery. So now in recovery, click install and search for that root package. This is SR5 SuperSU 2.78. Just install it. And if it is okay, if it says RAM disk restore failed, just click reboot. And also in this ROM the reboot is very quick. It's just because I installed SuperSU, it's a bit slower. And there's this cool boot animation. So here we go. We should have a root now, but don't open this app. Do that, so hold on. And drag it onto here and click uninstall. So then you should have root. So now download the root explorer. No, not root, root checker APK. And I'm gonna do that now to show you that I indeed have root. Here we go. Of course you have to enable unknown sources, but then it should work. So click open, agree, yes, verify. Congratulations, this device has root access. So now boot again into the recovery. And now flash the MIUI 8G apps. So this can take a while because these are all the G apps, but only the ones you really need, like Google Play services and Google Play Store. So then reboot. So here we go. As you can see, we have signal once again. And now we should have Play Store, but it says unfortunately Google Play services stopped. Of course we don't want that, so go to your downloads and go to that link I posted. That's the pro version of the root explorer. So that's that. Just click install. You can accept that. And it should be finished in about a few seconds. So now click open. Now you want to really look. So click on data. It should be on this on the root directory. Just click data, local. Then you see this user init.sh. Just click on it, click execute, and then it should say data executed, and you shouldn't get more Google pop-ups that it has stopped, and you should be able to put in your email and use the Google services. So I hope this ROM, you like this ROM, and this video helps a lot.